Hi children, welcome back. In today's session we are going to learn some more adaptation in the tropical rainforest animals. So let us see one by one. Here adaptation in elephant. In previous session we learnt about adaptation in lion and now adaptation in elephant, which is herbivorous animal, and it is the animal that is living on the land. The biggest animal that living on the land is elephant, and elephant is highly adapted in tropical rainforest. It has strong trunk, ears, and its body is heavy. Let us see the trunk. Here trunk of the elephant, it used as many purposes. So the first main purpose is collecting food. It takes food with the help of trunk, and as well as here the trunk, it can able to sense the smell, and they are used as breathing nostrils. By using this trunk, it also sucks the water. It eats the food and as well as sucks the water. So for water sucking also it uses trunk. After sucking the water with the trunk, it takes the water into its mouth. So here it uses the trunk for the purpose of drinking water, for the breathing and as well as for drinking water, and also it can able to see the smell. It has the good sense of smell and can able to find the material. Not only for this, for the lifting of plants or twigs, it uses the trunk. So whenever it want to eat the food, it just collect the food by using its trunk. It takes the food with the help of trunk into the mouth, and here it have teeth. The inner teeth are four in number. They are molars and premolars, means they are meant for the grinding. Whatever the food that it eat, it grinds by the molars and premolars, whereas the large two incisors are called tusks. They use the trunk and tusks in defense mechanism, for fighting and as well as for the uh, breaking of heavy stems of the plants. So here you could able to see the fighting together for the defense mechanism. And as well as when you look at the elephant tusk, here these tusks as well as ears, they are very helpful for the elephant. Tusks, we know that they are modified incisors. They use it in many purposes for defense and as well as for breaking of stems. And when you look at the ears are very large, and it always flaps the ears to reduce the body temperature. Whenever the temperature is high, when it want to escape from the high temperature of the humid, actually it is a hot and humid place, rainforest, so that it uses the ears to cool down its body. And let us see the overall adaptation in the elephant. It uses the feet for walking purpose, and it uses the ear to cool down its body, and as well as the teeth they use for the chewing and grinding. Trunk, it helpful in many purposes, for smelling, for drinking water. And it has a strong feet. The wide feet of the elephant, it do not allow the elephant to sink in the smooth soil. It never sink in the smooth soil because it has a wide feet. Wide feet makes the elephant body lowering the pressure. So by reducing the pressure, it never sinks in the water. So the great feet it contain to walk on the land, it is sufficient, and it can able to run with it is also. So these are the adaptation that we can see in the elephant. So elephant is the largest mammal that is present on the land. So the next tropical rainforest animal is the red-eyed frog. A red-eyed frog, it is a marvelous animal that is living in the tropical rain forest. Here its body is very slim, and it is very active, very faster, and it have many adaptation to survive in this hot and humid conditions. The first one is the sticky feet. So sticky feet of the frog, they helpful for the crawling or hopping or jumping from the twig to twig, and as well as it can able to walk easily by using this sticky feet, so it never falls down. And as well as one more amazing thing in the red-eyed frog is camouflage. It can able to merge with the surrounding by its color. So because of its color, it never appears to its prey or predator. So one of the defensive mechanism, that is camouflage, merging with its surroundings. When it merges with its surroundings, no one can able to find whether the frog is there or not. So this is one adaptation that can be seen in red-eyed frog. And as well as the best nature is that it can able to walk easily on the leaves, and as well as on the stems of the plant. And it is very precious animal that available in the tropical rain forest. Whenever it want to eat the food, it uses the sticky tongue to catch the prey. Even water molecule or otherwise the insects can be catched or trapped by its sticky tongue. So it is one of the best adaptation that can be seen in the red-eyed frog. For catching food and water, it uses the sticky tongue. And the next animal is the toucan. The toucan. Toucan is one of the great animals among the tropical rainforest. So here it is the bird which can be seen in the tropical rainforest. It has a wide variety of adaptation in it. When you look at the toucan, first we could able to notice its large, long and strong beak. Here it has the long and strong beak to catch the food, and as well as to make it nests. And a main purpose is that the long beak it helpful even to catch or to eat the food that is available even on the small twigs, even delicate twigs. Why? Because the long beak, when it bend the long beak, it could able to catch the food easily, and it never falls down. Or otherwise, if it have short beak, because of its body weight, it may fall down. But long beak helps them to take the food easily. Here you could able to see how nice it is catching the food. It is omnivorous. It eat plants and as well as animal products. So here you could able to see how do it is catching the food with the help of its long beak. So beak can be changed in multiple color. It is called camouflage. And as well as when it is catching the food, it has to be stay stronger on the twig. So for that purpose, it have a strong claws. These claws they are highly modified and they have nails. The speciality of the claws of these toucan is that it can able to reintake the nails into its feet, and whenever it want to grip the plant, it uses the strong nails or hooked nails to hold the twig tightly. So these are the adaptation that we can see in the toucan. And along with these qualities, it has another speciality, that is camouflage. It can show the camouflage and can escape from the prey or predator. So the beautiful mechanism, that is camouflage, merging with the surroundings. The color of the beak and its body can be changed whenever it reaches to the other parts of the plant. So here we can see the camouflage that's shown by the toucan. So these are the special characters can be seen in tropical rainforest animal. In next session we'll learn more animals and more adaptation in tropical rainforest. Thank you.